Subject to 18 CS 2003 Computer Network Lab. Experiment number 6, dynamic routing configuration. In this video, we're going to see how we can perform dynamic routing configuration using Cisco packet tracer. So this is the topology I have already created, and also I have enabled all the links here, all the interfaces. And now you can see if you ping from a host to a remote host, it will be failed. So in our previous video, we have seen how we can configure static routes between the routers. Now we're going to see how dynamically it can be done. So we're going to see CLI of the router first, and now we'll get into the configure terminal, and here we have to give a command router RIP, routing information protocol, and now we need to give the network addresses of all the interfaces which are directly connected to this particular router. So that are 10.0 network, 20.0 WAN, and 50.0 WAN, right? So those networks we need to give here in the command 192.168.10.0, and the next one is the 20.0 network. The next one is the 50.0, that is WAN. Right, now that's it. We're going to end now. We're going to check the routing table. Yes, now as of now, no network has been added because we need to do the same in the remaining routers as well. So now we're moving to this router 1, and getting into the configure terminal, and the same command router information protocol RIP, and here we need to give the network addresses of the interfaces which are directly connected to this router. So those are 20.0 network, 30.0 network, and this LAN, that is 60.0 network. I'm going to give that. So that we need to use the network command network and the network address, that is 192.168.20.0. the next one is the 60.0, and the next one here is 30.0. That's it. We're going to end, and we'll do the same in this router 2 as well. Router RIP, and we're going to give them all the interfaces, all the network addresses which are directly connected to this particular router, that is router 2. The first one is 192.168.30.0, and 40.0, that is the LAN, and 50.0. That's it. Now we're going to check the routing table in the first router. So now we can see two networks, there are 30.0 and 60.0 are dynamically routed for this router, that is 30 and 60, which happens to be this network, this WAN, and 60 is the local area network, that is LAN, connected to the router 1. So that's about the router 0. Now we'll see the routing table of this one, that is router 1. So now we can see three networks, that is 10, 40 and 50 networks. 10 network is the LAN here, 40 is the LAN here, and 50 is the WAN here. So those remote networks have been added into the routing table of router 1. And now this router 2, we're going to check the routing table. Exit this one, this configure terminal. Now we'll type this, and we can see the three remote networks have been added into the routing table using the RIP protocol. Now we're going to see one more command, that is we're going to check the protocol which is being used. That one is the routing protocol is RIP. So now we'll try to ping and check. This is the remote PC, remote host. Failed. Now first time it may fail because it has to configure the route via which it has to pass. Now it is successful. Now we'll check from this PC to 60. network. Progress. Well, now we're going to try it again. Now it is successful. Now we're going to again ping between this PC and this one is successful. Now this is how we dynamically configure the routes between the routers. Thanks for watching.